Email is the foundation of our digital world. It has 60 years of history, 4.2 billion users. It's the largest communication channel that has ever existed, and it's double the size of Facebook. Email is critical infrastructure, and it only works because of people like Leandro, who are working behind the scenes to keep our mail flowing. What he does is extremely complex because mail servers are complex. The faults that he has to deal with are frequent and unpredictable. And often it's him versus Google and Microsoft trying to get mail delivered or trying to receive mail in some cases. And there are over 900,000 people in Leandro's shoes out there today. One option is for him to delegate his mail to what we call the hypercloud. So that's Gmail, Office 365, etc. And those offer one-size-fits-all solutions, which are black box systems with their own dark policies, and it undermines the concept of decentralized communications, which is inherent to how email was designed and how it's built. Using those systems means giving up control over data, delivery, and flexibility as to how these systems operate. Lightmeter provides an alternative to those hyperclouds. It works with existing private mail servers, it gets installed upon them, and it helps find and fix problems to make the service more reliable. One Lightmeter server can already provide 1,500 employees with email in an organization, so it scales beautifully. It works with existing open source software, so we extend what's out there, and that means there's zero switching costs for over 85% of the market. We know from interviewing 50 of our users until now that it saves them 10 hours a week on average of management time. Lightmeter is a single glossy interface, providing a high-level overview of everything that's going on a mail server with those problems and so on mentioned earlier. It brings peace and transparency to something which is currently multi-layered, complex, and confusing. Perhaps because of that, until now, we've had good traction with over 2,500 users until now, and around 600 active users checking in with their Lightmeter interfaces each week. We've also had press coverage across the world, particularly in Central Europe with ZNet, Heiser, Linux Magazine, also Forbes in the US, and that brought quite some attention over the past months. Our team is built of industry insiders. This is my third open source business. We have 10 years experience working together building mail tech solutions. Our advisors are from big name open source brands. So let us help your mail run right. Partner with us. We will install and host Lightmeter for early adopters for free. And thank you, NGI, for supporting next generation communications infrastructure and for this opportunity.